Hello everyone, my name is Maylanie Hafidah, and on this occasion I will present my research proposal about the effectiveness of project-based learning in building students' knowledge. English education students often face significant challenges in comprehending the academic pedagogical content within their university courses. The reality shows that this is a crucial issue among the students in the importance of mastering the pedagogical knowledge. In line with this, a learning approach, project-based learning, comes up with students' learning experience in doing the project. A study about the effectiveness of project-based learning, Anazifa and Zukri 2017, found that students in a project-based learning class improve cognitive skills, creating detailed reports, gathering information effectively, and enhancing creativity. Apparently, most of the existing studies investigating project-based learning were dominated by the engineering field. On the other hand, this study is concerning the English language education undergraduates as the site. This research puts concern in building students' knowledge in specific areas such as idea-centered learning and meaningful learning throughout the course activity. The objective of this study is to investigate the effectiveness of project-based learning in building students' knowledge. In order to meet the desired purpose, the present study utilizes a qualitative approach, specifically employing a case study by establishing a comprehensive examination. It is relevant to the aim of this study as its exploration of the project-based learning process through idea-centered, collaborative, and meaningful learning. Based on the Creswell 2009, a qualitative study has the specific steps to follow, starting from collecting the data from interview and observation, then analyzing the data into themes, then process generalization. In the same vein, this investigation will be conducted in a similar manner. The instruments of this research are the classroom observation and interview. As a result, the qualitative research approach was more appropriate for developing the research output. The participants of this study will be the undergraduate English language education students in a university in Bandung who have taken pedagogical courses such as developing lesson plans, presenting micro-teaching, and adopting ICT or information and communication technology courses. The undergraduate students were chosen based on the implementation of project-based learning, and moreover, this study employed a classroom observation to collect the data. Schoenfeld 2013 and Creswell 2009 asserts that classroom observation consists of the relationship between classroom practices and the student understanding that result from those practices. By observing teaching methodologies and the associating student responses, researchers can see the process of instructional strategies in project-based learning on the development of students' comprehension and skills. Over the course of 2 months of classroom observation, the researcher takes notes on critical details during project-based learning implementation. Additionally, this study employs semi-structured interviews according to Irvin et al. 2013 and Brown 2017. Semi-structured interviews involve prepared topics and questions with flexibility for open responses, allowing for unexpected conversation development during the interview. The present study adopts semi-structured interviews to elicit students' thoughts and experience with 10 related questions designed. The interviews will be conducted 2 months after the first month of classroom observation, involving 2 participants in each week. By triangulating these different sources of data, the researcher can compare and contrast the information to gain a more comprehensive understanding of the effects of project-based learning. The data analysis followed steps from the specific to the general by Creswell 2009. Firstly, organize and prepare the observation sheets and transcribe interviews. Secondly, the coding process. According to Rosman and Rollis 1998 and Creswell 2009, there are 2 main steps of the coding process in the case study with a qualitative approach. First, initial coding. This involves identifying and labeling key concepts, themes, or patterns within the theoretical framework. And then focused coding involves concentrating on specific codes or themes. Then the final step in data analysis involves making an interpretation or meaning of the data. Draw up on theoretical frameworks to provide a comprehensive interpretation of the data. Well, I think that's all about my research proposal presentation. Thank you very much for your attention.